Mastery is something that people are still figuring out. A lot of people who are senior to you at work may still not be masters of the craft, because we all know that a promotion or an elevation in designation is a result of so many other factors than just being great at what you do, than just being a master at what you do. However, when you set out to do something that is really soul aligned, nobody needs to push you, nobody needs to teach you. You yourself will be inspired to take the initiative to figure out what you need, what kind of person you want to be, what kind of teacher you want to be, what kind of entrepreneur you want to be, and you will be able to take it forward, because something deeper than money, recognition, and validation is driving you. It's your purpose that is driving you. So, your soul is much deeper than all of these external things that fulfill you as a person, and it will lead the way forward for you to attain your mastery. Which is why, when you really understand what is your core mission here and what you're here to do, you get the energy and drive and discipline to implement it in ways that something misaligned can never teach you, even if you're really excellent at it and even if you have the greatest skills that one could possibly have in that particular domain or area. So before you chase mastery, chase purpose, chase your why, and chase what your soul came here to do. Mastery will only be a result of all of this.